Changing your username on Etsy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your existing account credentials. Make sure you're on the homepage after logging in. Step 2. Access your account settings. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to the Shop settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Shop to access your shop settings. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your Etsy shop, including your username. Step 4. Edit your username. Look for the option labeled Shop Name or Username. Click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your desired new username, ensuring it complies with Etsy's guidelines. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. Now you can enjoy your new username on Etsy. Remember that it may take some time for the changes to reflect across the platform.